Cendrawasih atau tanker Cendrawasih. Call sign Yankee Delta Mike Victor, calling you over.
Baru tanker Cendrawasih, Singapura control. Over.
For information, sir, cargo on board after total crew on board 32 person, document complete, asking for permission to cast off from pasir panjang port brand to Incheon, Korea.
Okay, I accept your information. Go ahead.
Go ahead, stand by 1-2.
Stand by 1-2.
Okay.
Single up, forward, and after.
Single up.
Single up.
Lego align on the stern.
Lego line on the stern.
To port, then
Lego.
Okay, align on the stern.
That's slow.
Roger.
Heading 117.
117.
Speed 0.5.
0.5.
Steering still hard to port.
Yeah.
Heading 115.
115.
0.6.
Yeah. Ready?
Heading 107.
For the forward distance is 10 meters cap.
Speed 1.1.
Heading.
Heading 106.
Stop engine.
Stop engine.
Gate shift.
Speed 1.1.
Heading 103.
Dead slow astern.
Dead slow astern.
Gate shift.
That's it.
Heading 102.
Slow astern.
Slow astern.
Heading 101.
Distance forward to port is 7 meters.
Speed 0.9.
Heading 100.
0.5.
0.5. Okay.
Heading 100.
Distance is 54 meters cap.
Okay. Lego line on the forward.
Lego align on the forward.
Roger, Lego line on forward.
Speed 0.3.
Half astern.
Half astern.
Align.
Heading 101.
Okay, align in forward. Lego. Lego align cap.
Speed 0.3.
0.3.
Heading 102.
102. Heading.
One 103.
Speed still 0.3.
Slow astern.
Slow astern.
104.
104.
Speed still 0.3.
Distance from forward is 31 meters cap.
106.
106. Heading.
Speed 0.4.
108.
Dead slow astern.
Dead slow astern.
Heading 112.
Speed 0.6.
0.6.
Heading 114.
114. Okay.
Speed still 0.6.
Okay.
Heading 116.
Okay.
Heading 117.
Okay.
Speed 0.6.
Steering still midship.
Okay.
Distance
Stop
from
it.
Stop engine.
meters.
Speed 0.6.
Okay.
Heading 121.
Dead slow ahead.
Dead slow ahead.
Give 5 starboard.
5 starboard.
Speed 0.6.
Steering 5 starboard. Heading 123.
Okay.
Speed 0.5.
Okay.
Heading 124.
Distance is 52 meters here.
Heading 126.
1 to 6. Yes.
Distance is 55 meters from the pole. Okay.
Midship.
Midship.
Speed 0.3.
Steering midship.
Midship.
Heading 128.
1 to 8.
Speed 0.2.
0.2.
0.3.
0.
Heading 128.
Okay.
Heading 129.
1 to 9 heading. The distance from it.
Distance from it is 65 meters here.
Okay.
Speed still 0.3.
Heading 130.
130.
Steering sail midship.
0.
Speed 0.4.
Okay. Wait. So stop engine. And
Stop
for the
engine.
port to MV Cendrawasih already gas off.
Okay, Cap. Port control, Singapore port control. This is water tanker Cendrawasih calling you over.
Water tanker Cendrawasih, go ahead.
Inform sir, you are ready cast off from Pasir Panjang port and sailing to Incheon. Thank you for your cooperation and see you next trip.
Yeah. Thank you for cooperation too. Keep healthy for your crew and see you next trip. Stand by 112.
Okay, Cap, thank you. We make cast off at 12:30.
1 to 30.